How to edit and manage your templates in React 2. First of all, we'd come to our list of templates, which is once we're logged in as a therapist. We see here we have 4 templates, and the first thing we could do is we could filter by title. So if we had a lot more than just 4, and we wanted to limit that down, maybe over a couple of pages of templates, we could type in here, and you'll see that automatically it filters down to that specific keyword within the title. So if, say, I wanted to look for level 2 or stage 2 in this case, it would bring them down to there. Or if I wanted to look for auditory tasks, similarly it would filter down in that manner. You could also filter by client. So if we wanted to see anything that would been done that's been set for somebody called Janet, we can type Janet in, and it brings in one which has previously been set for Janet. And then we could go into Janet's task list if we wanted to from that point. The other element here we have is a favoriting system, and here you can just filter by favorites, as you can see here, by flicking the favorites button at the top, and you can add a new favorite by simply clicking on the heart symbol to add that into favorites. As you can see at the top there in the green dialog, that visual processing level 1 has been added to favorites now. So that's a nice way in which we can filter our existing templates. Other elements we have here is we can open the 3-dot menu on the right hand side, and we could actually go in and edit a template within here, or we can indeed duplicate a template. So if we click to duplicate, it would automatically give you a copy name on the existing name of the template, which is Visual Processing Level 1 in this case, and it adds copy on the end of it if you wanted to leave it like that. Well, let's say that we wanted to set perhaps a larger amount of level 1 exercises, or maybe we could say stage 2, so level 1 stage 2, some next level, so we say some next level low level tasks. Okay, we could duplicate that template, and as you can see now it's duplicated. It immediately takes us into the editor where we can start editing that template. And once we were happy with any changes we wanted to make to it, let's say that we wanted to add a few tasks in, we could go in and let's say we wanted to get something in visual processing and we wanted to add some spelling and word building, and let's add some word building in, and then we'll click done. That's now been added in. I'm going to set that word building task at the start for the client to start with, and then I'm going to save that by clicking finish later. It does get automatically saved as well, but this pops it back into the templates list, and there you can see now we've got our duplicated Visual Processing Level 1 Stage 2 has appeared. Further than that, if we went to the 3 dots, we can actually edit that. So we can either enter it that way by clicking View Edit, or you can just click on the title and go into the editor again and do further edits if you wanted to add more tasks in, perhaps remove some tasks. So let's do that. Let's remove matching shapes from this one. So I'll select matching shapes, and then you get these little menu items appearing where you can move them up and down manually. You can clear the selection like so, or you could delete it. It gives you a prompt saying you want to remove the selected tasks from your template, and we'll say yes, remove these tasks, and that's now automatically updated. Now remember that when you're updating a template or editing a template, it doesn't automatically update when that template has been set for a client previously. That won't be changed. That will still remain the same for that client. You'd have to reset it for the client in order to give them this new version of the template. So you would set it that way there. At the moment, we're just going to say finish later. That's now edited Visual Processing Level 1 Stage 2, and we're going to favorite that as well. So there we've done the main features within editing and modifying templates within React 2.